Take 2. These are both printed at a 2:1 scale. As you can see, they are rigid. Now let's get some boiling hot water. You'll have to excuse me if I miss a little bit. I'm not exactly the most accurate person in the world. There is 1. There is 2. Got a little bit exuberant there. Ah, well, you can see the ABS one, it's fine. However, the PLA one, oh, it is quite squishy. And this water has cooled off quite a bit. It is not boiling. This is not suitable for use as a mug. This might be, but it's also not food safe.